Hi, I'm Lesley and I've just sold 65 Kennigan Avenue, York with Preston Baker York. Well, my dad has bought a property with Preston Baker. We met Jody, he came along to my dad's house. We were very impressed with how he handled the situation with my dad being old and explained it very well to him. We would have gone with others who were cheaper, but we thought he was spot on what he said. The advantage of the launch was getting a lot of people there in one go, so that they, if they wanted the property, then they had to come up with their offer straight away. And then it eventually went to seal bids or best and final offer. So we got a good price of over the asking price. Quite a bit over the asking price, really. I can't fault the team. Angela has gone above and beyond anything what you would expect from an estate agent. Ashley Phillips, is it? He's been really good. If I ring him up, he's got all the answers, and he's in touch with their solicitors, our solicitors, and it's all running very smoothly. We hope it all goes through before the end of May.